Okay, what is up everyone? This is Ken here. Welcome back again to TechCrane YouTube channel. Based on Android 12, Cherry OS is available here and finally with some customizations. A lot of custom rooms based on Android 12 we have tried so far but didn't come with any kind of customizations unfortunately. But now finally we have some customizations available for you. Of course, these are not a lot of customizations, but still good enough because some basic features are finally added, which I'm going to share with you in this video. So stay tuned for that. We're talking about the Cherish OS version 3.0, but talking about the Android version 12. So these are some customizations which we are getting here. Cherish settings, status bar, quick settings, themes, buttons, animations, lock screen. A lot of things are included, but not all menus have all the options. Okay, so stay tuned. First of all, in the terms of customizations in status bar, you have the clock related customizations, which is one of my favorite one. Traffic indicators, you already saw at my status bar that this option is enabled, working perfectly fine. Show data disabled icon, 4G icon, VoLTE customizations, and some status bar items customizations available for you. In quick settings, you can customize the quick settings pull down. That's quite interesting. Themes unfortunately does not have any kind of options to customize right now, but as this is first build in the terms of customization section, so we can expect more in upcoming days. Buttons has the music control available for you, which is very useful by the way. Keyboard cursor control is also there. Animations unfortunately does not have anything available for you. You can simply check it out. Everything else is just kind of same. I didn't got any kind of major changes, but the features which you use on a device as your daily driver are present here. Show media art in lock screen, double tap to sleep on lock screen. That's also quite useful. And we also have the music visualizer available in the lock screen. So yes, all the features which you need in your daily life are already present here. But as I previously mentioned, these are not every feature which you need, but some features are quite good. For example, it has the advanced reboot option available for you. Advanced reboot, yes, this is quite useful. I always use this feature that's present here. Screenshot option is also there, which is working perfectly fine, which was not available in any other Android 12 based custom ROM for now what I've used so far, but things are quite much same. Reboot to recovery, bootloader, system UI, everything is present here for you. Looks good enough, I think so. Everything else is just kind of same. Notifications has the in-call vibration related customizations present here for you. Vibrate on connect, vibrate on call waiting, vibrate on disconnect, etc. Miscellaneous does not include any kind of features yet, but we might get the gaming mode here and some bit of extra features. Everything else is just kind of same. This is Cherish OS latest version which comes with some customizations for you. If you want to give it a try, you can. I will try to provide the link in the description for all the supported devices. This is the default UI which comes with the Pixel launcher. All the accent color, monet theming related things are present, working perfectly fine, no issues available here and there. You can see it also has a separate internet, separate Wi-Fi and mobile data tile available for you. I've already enabled the Wi-Fi tile. I don't have SIM card, but the Wi-Fi tile is there, which is just working good. And this is a very useful thing because in Android 12 they combined the Wi-Fi and internet, Wi-Fi and mobile data tiles. So yes, it's quite useful. Other things are kind of same here. You don't get any kind of major changes, features, etc. UI basically same. Very simple things, and these were things I just want to let you know about. If you want to install this build on your device, just try out which device you're using, find out if it is available, install the custom ROM, format data, and you are good to go. This was all from today's short and simple video. I hope you like this. This is all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.